Yes guys, let's eat. When is my lunch? Wala ako yung rice guys. Yes, this one. Dugangan pa rin ako guys. Sada kayo no. Oh my God, nahulog akong cellphone. Nagkuha lang ko ani guys. May ka nang nahulog. Oh my, this one. I'm going to eat this one. Pidot ang sabaw ka. Sabaw. Thank you for watching.